Look at the state of it. Let's see if we can get underneath. Oof. Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations. Today we've got a little bit of work to do on this lovely RS1600, which requires us to pop the battery off. Yeah, that probably means welding. So let's get her up in the air and have a good look at what needs doing. Have a good look up in here then, guys. Oh dear, look at the state of that. I think that's some old weld, or is it just dirt? It's just dirt. Anyway, looks like we've got a big old rusty hole to fix. Right guys, in the tradition of things getting out of hand, this Escort has got out of hand. The welding is now massive. It's a huge job. This, by the way, is Mojo. He is working here for as long as he behaves. No, he's great. We're going to be tearing the front of this car off so we can access the rusty bits. The wing has to be cut off, unfortunately, because it is quite bad. I'll show you in a clip here now.
Oh my god. That's layers of quality, that.
Yeah, so that's how rough this is. So yeah, let's get on, Mo, and tear this stuff down.
Let's get it done.
Let's get it done. All of that. Oh, bits are falling off. Oh my god, the overriders were held on with, look at this. The overriders were held on with literally hot glue gun glue. And a bit of masking tape. Hot glue gun glue and a bit of masking tape is all you need to hold a Ford together. Is that it? Nice. I suppose you get the bulbs from the other end, don't you? Go get that chisel. Yeah, is that a weld there?
Hope not.
It is. Well, there, yeah, you can fit on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
They're more grinding.
That sounded nice.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's the sticker from the pattern partness of it.
Mm.
Oh, it's raw. It's and all these ones, look.
Huh.
No undercoating then?
No undercoatings.
Do you want to have a look at this?
Have a look at that.
Show them the damage. Look at.
Oh god, this is bringing back memories. Oh my god. That's layers of quality, that.
Oh. Where's the chisel?
That goes
The
deep.
chisel.
Chisel.
Scalpel.
think we're going to need paddles on this one, so no.
Look at that, that's fibre fill. This does bring back Fiesta memories.
It's all the way up here. Did they do it and then put the wing on?
It's not very structurally sound there, is it? It's so very weak. There's a bit of fresh grind in there, not from us.
So there is. That's shiny.
So yeah, tush, which is Welsh for hole. Hole, tush, tush, tush.
Hold on.
Look at that, oh yeah. Tush. And in there. Down there and up in there. Where is it there?
Yay!
Better get on the phone, buy some panels. Oh no. More updates. More updates. It just keeps getting better. Yeah.
It's okay, baby.
Insert disaster clip here. As you can see, the rust and the bad repairs just kept on spreading.
You keep chasing it, you keep finding it, but
now
luckily I
we're
think we've got to the
repairing
end.
half the bulkhead, the whole battery tray, the A pillar, the sill, and the inner wing.
Nothing a bit of cutting out, new panels and welding up road fix.
Lots of things on order, come in.
ASAP.
It's going to be great though, isn't it?
Yeah, I think, where did you get them from? West Wales Rally
West
Spares?
Wales Wally Spares.
I can take a spin over and go and pick them up as soon as they're in. And
Okay.
then careful.
Yeah.
Bit might fall off. You can whack them on and then we should be doing a session of undersealing and what else we got planned for this? Weld it, fix it, weld it,
Send it.
seal it, send it. There we go.
Yeah.
So that's going to be fun.
Yeah, no, we've had to do a lot of stuff. Move the whole brake booster out the way and all sorts of things.
You start poking, you'll
poor
start
old
finding.
Yeah.
So we've been busy doing that.
We've been busy doing that. Merch is
shop
going
has
out
been
really
keeping
well,
me
yes.
Super busy.
Check out whitelandrestorations.com and our clothing stuff in the corner shop.
Yep,
and
brand new design up soon.
go and have a look at that. We've got some nice stuff. If I don't say so myself.
If you don't say so yourself. Lovely.
Right.
Right, you two carry on. I'm gonna go away before you find anything else.
Yeah.
Probably for the best.
Right. Thanks, guys. Tune in next week when it's all going to get welded up
And back to
and back to how it should be.
how it should be. See you later. Say bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao.
Ciao.